Good morning. My name is Chaitanya Chaudhary. I am the Vice Chairman of KC International School. My job at KC International School is to see the well-being of students and teachers and everybody working here. Today I am going to talk about education at KCIS and its purpose. According to me, a school should be a place where we foster creativity and child development. More and more emphasis should be given to self-learning. And by self-learning, I mean that students should be given freedom to speak, freedom to think. It becomes imperative for the school to provide opportunities for the students where self-learning can take place. In modern day education, there is no scope for rote learning, and the role of the teacher has changed from educator to facilitator. The role of the teacher is to see that students are given enough space and there is a lot of activities which lead to self-learning. The teacher has to create an atmosphere and the environment where students become self-reliant and self-sufficient. It's the duty of the teacher to cultivate among the students the art of logical thinking, courage and confidence so they can face the future challenges of their lives. And I'm very sure that KCIS will be able to achieve this goal and will be able to produce able thinkers and better human beings. I'm very happy to be associated with 100 years Ataturk School, Turkey, and I believe a lot of informational exchange will take place among its students and teachers. They will be bound by a common thread of international learning and global thinking. That's it.
Start. Hello, I am Dr. Ravi Bhushan, Principal of KC International School, Jammu. I have been attached with the National Museum of History of Art, Museology and Conservation, a deemed university situated at New Delhi, the capital of India, and have come to know about many facts and facets related to historical monuments in India as well as abroad. The monuments reminds us the glorious past of civilizations. I am proud that my students and teachers are associated with such a project and has been taken up in collaboration with the school named as 100 Years Ataturk School based at Turkey. Wishing all the students and teachers all the best. Thank you very much. May I?
Hello, I'm Jyotika Gai from KC International School, Jammu. Well, it's a great pleasure for our school that our school is being associated with the 100 Years of Ataturk School of Turkey. Well, being a teacher, I've noticed that the difference between the regular teaching and teaching with these kinds of projects. Children, they are taking a great interest when I've told them that we will be doing area topic, but first of all, you have to find out, search out information of historical monuments of different countries. They were very much excited and they got the information very nice way. Well, it's a great thing that we are doing teaching beyond the boundaries also. I would really like to say thank you and it's a great pleasure that we are being associated with that school. Here are some students, they will be telling you something about the monuments.
Hi, I am Akhilesh of Class 5 of KC International School. I have done a project on country Greece, which is situated in Europe. It is one of the most ancient civilizations. It has an area of 50,942 square miles and population of 10.7 million people. Its capital is Athens and currency is euro. Here are some of the famous monuments of Greece. First is Mount Athos, Meteora, medieval city of Rhodes, Mistras, old town of Corfu, and Mycenae and Tyrrhenes. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Advait and I am going to speak a few lines on Italy.
Hello everyone at 100 Years Atatürk School in Turkey. I'm Sheetal Bhatt, a mathematics teacher from KC International School, Jammu, India. As being a mathematics teacher, architecture always attracts me. So, me and my students have taken up a project on some famous historical monuments of India. Since mathematics and architecture are indistinguishable, so we have decided to take up a project on Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar. Now my students will brief you something about these two monuments.
A very good morning to all the students of 100 Years Atatürk School. Today I Asmi from KC International School, Jammu, which is in India, is going to tell you something on Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a white marble mausoleum which was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his third wife, Mumtaz Mahal.
I am Kanika Kao is going to throw some light on the historical monument Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is situated in the city of Agra, Uttar Pradesh. Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal died while giving birth to their 14th child Gohra Begum.
Hello everyone, I am Ashu.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Rajasthan.
Hello everyone, I am Nandu Subir.
Hello everyone, I am Riddhi.
Hello everyone, I am Ritika. Hello everyone, I am Ankur.
Yes, the Taj Mahal is probably the world's most beautiful and magnificent tomb ever built. It's located on the banks of River Yamuna. It took around 20 years to build and more than 10,000 workers from Italy, India, Turkey worked day and night to complete the construction of Taj. It was described as teardrop on the cheek of time by a famous Indian poet, Rabindranath Tagore.
Yeah, as Yashvi said, it is the White Marble Mausoleum. It is a tourist place in India. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. In 1953, it was declared as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. I hope you all will come to visit the Taj. Thank you.
A very good morning to all the students of 100 Years Atatürk School. I am Snehal of KC International School, Jammu, India. I am going to tell you about Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is the second tallest minar in India after Fatehpur in Chappachiri, which stands 100 meters. Qutub Minar stands 73 meters. A very good morning to all the students of 100 Years Atatürk School. I am Snehal of KC International School, Jammu, India. I am going to tell you about Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is the second tallest minar in India with a height of 73 meters after Fatehpur in Chappachiri at Mohali, which stands 100 meters. It is the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization World Heritage Site. It is located in Delhi and is made up of red stone.
Its construction started in
1192 AD by Qutbuddin Aibak and was carried on by his successor Iltutmish. In 1368, Firoz Shah Tughlaq of the Tughlaq dynasty built the fifth and the last story of this minar.
Hello, I am Pranav and we pledge to save the historical monument